So the project in IMI Pain Care was a European survey. It was part of a larger project including 18 different European countries. And the main objective was to be able to predict the development of chronic post-surgical pain. We included 4 different types of surgery. The first one was total knee arthroplasty, the second one sternotomy, endometriosis, and breast surgery for cancer. The main outcome of this survey was the development of chronic pain 6 months after surgery. When we made the sample size calculation, we were anticipating a 15% incidence of chronic pain 6 months after surgery. In our data, we found, in fact, only 10% for the incidence of chronic pain after surgery and for the total population. And the frequency was varying between 7% for breast surgery and 12% for total knee arthroplasty. So the incidence was low, and that's part of the difficulty to analyze the data, but it's also reflecting probably the better management of the pain, both in the acute phase and also in the prevention of chronic pain, both by surgeon with less invasive surgery and anesthetist with the more aggressive treatments of pain. We were looking at different types of surgery, so we had 2 questions beyond the issue of the frequency of chronic pain after surgery. It was location of the symptoms and neuropathic component. So location of the symptoms was, of course, different depending on the type of surgery. For example, for breast surgery, it was mainly on the armpit and the thorax. For endometriosis surgery, it was mainly in the abdomen, for sternotomy on the thorax, and for knee surgery on the leg. What was quite interesting and quite different from what is available in the literature is that the incidence of neuropathic pain was quite high. This neuropathic pain was defined by the positivity of the DN4 questionnaire, and it was as high as 40% for the whole population, and especially high for endometriosis and total knee arthroplasty. So that's an interesting data, because previously much lower incidence of neuropathic pain was described in these model of surgery. Prediction of chronic pain after surgery was not possible using this large sample size or sample of patients. We did not find any significant predictors and were unable to redefine any predictive score, which was the main goal of the study. So we can consider it was disappointing, but we had additional data on characterization of chronic pain and neuropathic component that was enough to propose this work to publication.